David Licao to update. Yung pag-ensayo ni David. Sa larangan ng basketball. Yung shooter si David. Yung kasama niya yung kanyang coach. Grabe si David. Sa backboard. Kasi yan pa, 3 point. David Floyd. 3 point. Yan pa. Shooter. Jump shot. Kasama niya yung kanyang coach. Sumabak sa ensayo si David sa basketball niya, shooter. David 4-3. Bam! Shooter si David, Pangarap ni David kasi maging professional basketball player, yun, May bantay pa si David, nabag-iwanan niya, Ang solid yung pagbabasketball, Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Short Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.